The Nines Mumbai menu. Enjoy global flavors and elegant setting. The Nines Mumbai, located in Juhu, is a luxurious fine dining restaurant known for its fusion of global cuisines, artistic presentation, and elegant ambience. It blends Asian, Italian, and Indian influences to create an international dining experience. Signature dishes like butter chicken ravioli, lotus root salt and pepper, and chocolate dome highlight the creativity and quality behind every plate. Restaurant overview. Founded and managed by Mr. Rohan Mehta, the Nines is supported by an expert team including Chef Arav Sharma, Chef Lingwei, and Chef Matteo Rossi, who bring international expertise in global fusion, Asian, and Italian cuisine. The restaurant's mission is to redefine fine dining through innovation and premium ingredients. Locations: Mumbai, Juhu and Andheri West. Operational flagship outlet. Delhi, Aerocity, upcoming. Bengaluru, Indira Nagar, planned. Dubai, downtown, future concept. Customer experience. Guests praise the restaurant's modern interiors, live DJ music, excellent service, and flavorful dishes. Reviews consistently highlight the fusion cuisine, signature cocktails, and warm hospitality. A few note minor delays during peak hours, but overall ratings remain high. Menu highlights. The menu is diverse, covering multiple cuisines. Starters: lotus root salt and pepper, truffle mushroom crostini, peri-peri paneer kebab. Main course: butter chicken ravioli, Spanish tiger prawns, Thai green curry, lamb biryani. Pizza and pasta: margherita pizza, truffle alfredo pasta, mushroom risotto. Desserts: tiramisu, chocolate dome, baked cheesecake, mango mousse. Drinks: creative cocktails like espresso martini and mocktails like watermelon cooler. Ambience and dining. The Nines combine cinematic elegance with modern comfort, offering indoor, outdoor, and private dining areas. The decor, lighting, and music create a vibrant yet relaxing mood. Many guests compare its Asian creativity to the Chinese wok menu, but the Nines stands out for its luxurious presentation. Timings and services. Lunch 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Dinner 7 p.m. to 12:30 p.m. Bar 12 p.m. to 1 a.m. Happy hours 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. selected days. Online delivery is available via Swiggy, Zomato, and Pure Partner, ensuring fine dining quality at home. What makes it unique? The Nines excels in blending luxury with authenticity, reinventing traditional dishes while keeping their core essence intact. With live entertainment, global fusion menus, and exceptional service, it delivers a holistic dining experience unlike any other in Mumbai. Conclusion. In essence, the Nines Mumbai menu captures the spirit of global fine dining with an Indian heart. Whether for a celebration, a romantic evening, or a casual night out, it offers world-class food, stunning ambience, and impeccable service, making it a top culinary destination in Mumbai.